Hi, today we'll be talking about JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a lightweight format used to transport and store data, usually from servers or websites. As many companies began to transition over to AJAX or asynchronous JavaScript and XML to create asynchronous web applications, a need for an efficient way of transporting and storing data from website was needed. JSON in the last 15 years has become ubiquitous on the web. It has become the format of choice for data transport in public and private web services. Because of this growth in popularity, many relational and non-relational database support JSON programming. As an example, RingCentral is a cloud-based phone company. They offer an extensive amount of phone solutions ranging from dial tone all the way through call routing and contact center. They have partnered up with companies like Zoom to allow its customers to benefit from video conferencing. This kind of company focuses on having the private branch exchange systems deployed throughout many data center locations across the world. These data systems allow for high availability and overall customer satisfaction. As technology increases, the need for data and analytics increases as well. Sentiment analysis through machine learning and artificial intelligence has been a very important topic in many companies, like RingCentral. They have been investing time and effort into developing this. Sentiment analysis allows companies to have an even deeper understanding of the customer service provided to their clients. By analyzing the customer experience through agent, tone of voice, the words, and the interactions and overall script engagement, companies can ensure that the customers are being treated the way that they need to be treated. Why is this relevant? Well, it's relevant because in order to achieve that, there has to be some kind of transfer or gathering of data. And companies need to have the availability to do that. Now, although these phone companies offer these experiences, the development of these technologies are not restricted from the customers they are serving. RingCentral offers a large amount of data transfer through its APIs using, of course, JSON as its default representation format. By doing this, RingCentral can feel confident that the customers they are serving will have minimal problems achieving their personal goals by molding their own phone data. If a customer wants to move this data into a machine learning environment outside of RingCentral's control, they can, thus saving money because they're not going to be using a service that RingCentral is going to be charging. This is all done through APIs and transfer of data using their default JSON solution. RingCentral's provided APIs for its customers' data. Although the APIs are not, these APIs are not public, they do need to provide significant tools to help the companies understand their phone usage. Public's APIs exist in a variety of locations. They can be things like weather, GPS coordinates, historical data like rainfall, or even social media like Facebook. In case you have a business and you're running your advertisements and everything through Facebook, you can find ways of retrieving that API and understanding how your marketing campaigns are working. And again, Instagram and WhatsApp are other companies that are also using this. There are a lot of APIs to explore, yet one that I truly think is a very good one is the gas pricing APIs. With these APIs, a developer can find ways to provide the best locations for cheap fuel prices. This would definitely help an organization keep costs and overall save money, especially if it is in transportation or the company has a transportation fleet. Just imagine if you have a large amount of trucks that are traveling around the US and you can easily designate which gas stations they're going to stop because of the prices, then you're going to be saving, maybe a couple of cents per gallon. But when you multiply that by the amount of miles that that truck, car, or any kind of vehicle are traveling, your savings will be, and then not only that, but then you multiply by the fleet number that you have, there's going to be an overall savings based off of the gas prices. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think.